HYT-B81 hose crimping machine. Its crimping range 1/4 to 2. Metric size for 6 mm to 51 mm of hydraulic hose inner diameter. We have button, CNC, touchscreen type operate system for your choose. This is a touch switch which is an optional accessory. Power on. Push close dies button. Push open button. Change to semi-automatic type. It will fall open and close once. Change to full automatic type. It will automatic open and close till your next step operate. Push red color button for stop work. Change dies by quick change dies tool. Dies screw align with dies space hole. Push close button still full close. Remove the dies tool. Remove the dies tool. Finish change dies and start working.